What's going on, y'all? Hope you've been living right. As you can tell, it is snowing. Big old storm coming through, dropping anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of snow, and the ice is only 3 to 4 inches thick, so this is not good for us. But came out, didn't know how the fish was going to be today, and let's go ahead and say, if I'm doing this intro, something happened. Something happened. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please consider subscribing, turn on that notification bell, and you know what, hit that thumbs up. Just helps me out a little bit, makes me feel a little bit better, lets me know I don't suck that much. But I kind of do, but every day I'll suck a little less. But I'm gonna shut up, and we're gonna go ahead and get to the video of today. I don't know how much I talked during it, but hopefully I did. I don't remember. I had a buddy that I met last week ice fishing, or the other week ice fishing. He came out with me. Have a buddy, be safe. It's still early ice. I feel I should go ahead and say that, because last time I didn't on 2 inches of ice. 4 inches of ice today to 3 soft spots, pressure ridges. Be careful. Wearing my striker floating bibs, awesome to have. Probably wouldn't be out here doing this right now if it wasn't for these, just to have the extra bit of confidence that if I do go through, I'll be able to float a little bit. I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get into this video. Goodbye. Yep. This thing's solid. Yeah. A couple soft spots probably is it. Well, we'll take our time. All right, there we go. Oh wow, here comes the snow. Yeah. Just the time, maybe we catch this late bite. I think I'm gonna put a tip up right in between us. Come on, iFish Pro, don't let me down. There's bluegill here, that small. There's bass and pike. Oh, I missed him. Yeah. I think it's a bluegill. And he only wanted it when it had it dead, just dead sticking it. Come on, you're hot on it. You want it. I know you do. Got it. Yeah. Setting records here, boy. First bluegill of the season for me, though. That's a nice little gill. Come on, y'all are right there. Yeah, I think I got bluegill now. He just came in and crushed it. Are they coming in suspended or running the bottom?
No, they're running the bottom.
But they just come flying up.
They just come flying up from the bottom.
Well, here he comes. Here he comes. Come on. Chasing it like a crappie, and then stops.
Yep, that's what mine just did too.
He came up 3.5 feet, and he's just sitting there. Fine, we'll go back down to the bottom. You got buddies down here. Get one of them to bite. Got him? Nice.
But he smoked it like 4 times in a row.
That's saying they want noise. That's a nice gill. Yeah, I got something similar to that.
Yeah.
I don't think it makes noise though. It might. Yeah, no, that's a nice one.
Does not.
Oh, it doesn't?
I don't think so.
But he went after it.
He was crazy.
That profile's a little bit bigger than what you're using too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's nice. Go Whitefish Pro, go. Tell you what, other YouTubers make it look easy. Woohoo! Tip up. Oh, and I got all kinds of fish over here. Is it peeling line? Could this be my first fish on the iFish Pro? Yeah, it is. Woo.
He's still there.
Yeah. I think. Yep, there he is. Oh, he's swimming around.
See your line moving around the hole.
Come on. Fish, got him. Woo! There we go. That's what I've been waiting for right there. Northern. Not a bad one. Watch your fingers right around that trouble.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Not the bass I was hunting for.
No, but
it is a fish.
that's the first fish I've actually seen being caught on iFish Pro. Other than on YouTube.
Yeah.
Kinda cool.
That's my first catch on the iFish Pro. There we go. A little bit of blood come out, nothing crazy. Get him ducked. There we go. You can keep the shiner. Woohoo! There he goes. Oh, what? There you go. Come on. Yep. There he goes. Yeah. Frick yeah.
Yeah.
First one on the iFish Pro. I ain't gonna argue. Yeah, when I was fishing for it with it the first time when y'all saw me,
yeah.
I had the drag way too loose. I set the hook and it was
That's pretty neat. I just go there for trout.
I went there last year for trout and never caught a trout. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm freaking lucky I caught that fish. And all my fish are still here. Got him. Little guy. There he goes. Little guy. Him back. There we are. Now, about 4 inches. There he goes. Yeah. Ooh, fish.
Good one?
Yeah, it feels good. Holy crap!
Oh, yeah. That is a pig.
God, look at the size of that thing.
See that thing? As I'm dripping blood out of my finger. That is a pig.
That's a freaking stud. If I eat bluegill, man, that would have been it.
Oh yeah, man.
Dude, he crushed it too. Let's get him back. Well, he jumped back out of the hole. He wants to stay. There he goes. All right, here we go. I'm starting to get a little wet. Oh. Fish. Not too bad. Not as big. But not a bad one. Swallowed that hook. They come flying off the bottom over here. I got 4 foot of water covered in fish. So something's happening. There he goes. Come back. Fish. Not bad. Tell you what, when they want it though, they take it. There we go. Bluegill like number 4. Crushing them. Little Wonder Bread with the waxies. Little Z Viber type thing. Little tungsten. Well, to be honest, I don't know how much longer we're going to want to stick around over here.
I don't know. It's up to you.
I mean, have you noticed the water in your hole yet?
What?
Have you noticed the water in your hole yet?
That it's freaking slush?
Oh, I was going to say it's coming higher and higher.
Oh, I haven't noticed that with mine.
I mean, freaking bite looks like it's fixing to happen though.
Huh?
This bite looks like it's about to happen.
I know.
Yeah, my reel just locked up. All right. Time for the Elloitt Noodle Rod.
I'll probably call it around 3.
Round 3?
Yeah.
15 minutes, gotcha. Oh, I am not dialed with this reel. Little guy. Well, that was the first fish on the Elloitt Rod. Hell yeah. There we go. Little, but it's a fish. Little guy, little panfish smash. Fish on. Woo! There we go. Little 6-incher. That's the play. Problem is, the only thing that scares me is the weight. Yeah. Now, if we were up next to the boat ramp where that ice is completely solid, I'd be all for it. I mean, we can always go up there too. but we found them here. Yeah, so I'm using a gold banana style tungsten and got a waxy just hanging off the back of it. And they're literally chasing it up as it falls. Oh, I missed them. Dude, I love this Noodle rod. Freaking 42-inch Elloitt Evolution 40 or Noodle rod. Freaking crushing them. Oh, just got a suspended mark that came in. Yeah. Let's hurry up and get another waxy put on. I think they wised up to me. Ooh, got him. Kinda. There we go. Man, he's a stud bluegills, man. Oh yes. Oh. All right, bud. Freaking bite, man. Huh? This bite. It took it a while, but it finally picked up. I mean, look at this.
Yeah, that's exactly what I got over there. But it just... And then I got a school of crappie that always come in like right at 6 o'clock.
Yeah. Oh, you all right?
Shit.
Oh, I freaked me out there. I was like, what the hell's going on? What's wrong with you? All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna pack up too. I'm not gonna walk back alone.
No, that's what I was gonna ask, if you want me to stay out with you or...
No, you gotta go, man. You gotta go. Whoo! All right. I tell you what, finally caught a fish on the iFish Pro 2. That was freaking awesome. I was hoping for a bass, but hey, and just so you know, this is the lake where I caught my PB. If you're wondering how big that PB was, or the other fish I caught, I'll leave it linked down in the description for my PB that I broke twice in one day, fishing that same exact lake, hoping for that monster. But didn't quite happen, but had a good time. Caught some nice bluegill, caught that northern. Cody, y'all saw him catching some crappie. I didn't even catch a crappie. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm hooked up with Cody, and he's kind enough to bring me along with him. So shout out to you, Cody, for letting me tag along, teaching me some things, showing me where to be and all that stuff, man. Awesome. He'll be in the video more, probably in the next one also, and some people he knows, if they don't mind, who knows. But Kyle was left in the truck because, come on, this storm, it's crazy. It's only been snowing for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and we already got 3 inches of snow. So I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna end it here. Y'all take care, and until next time, y'all keep living right.